Welcome to Text to Video Gig.
Hello. I am a buyer on Fiverr. Please, tell me about your gig title.
Hi. I will convert your text and post to video with voiceover and copyright free.
Who are you and what is your experience?
I am Jamal. Professional graphic designer, video creator, and editor. My services are graphic design, PowerPoint presentation, animation, video making, and editing, QR code design, etc.
Hi. I am a female. But my voice is male. It is possible by Jamal, in a software.
What is your works plan?
My works plan are contact via Fiverr, send your details, place your order, design processing, receive delivery.
What will you do in this gig?
I will convert text to video, add intro, outro, logo, photos, videos, music, male and female voiceover, etc.
What is your features?
My features are start from $5, fastest delivery, unlimited revision, ready to commercial use, 100% satisfaction and copyright free, etc. So if you are interested, I'm here to help you. Thanked by Jamal.